is up, guys? So today I am taking you to my favorite restaurant to get food when I'm usually on keto. I come here to this spot probably once or twice a week because they have such good meat options. They have chicken, steak, pork chops. It's just really like food that's made from scratch and really good quality and really close to my house. So, you know, why not, right? And it's just that they have so much variety in their menu, so much good salads. It's just such a healthy like restaurant and like good fucking quality restaurant. So I'm gonna take you in there and we're gonna eat together. So let's go. Alright guys, so we are in the patio. I love their patio. It's so big. It's so much fun to like lounge here and like drink, but right now we're just having lunch. It's 11. They just opened. I ordered some cheese curds. I want to show you their cheese curds. It's humongous. As you know, I'm on keto right now. So, I mean, their cheese curds is like battered, but just like a tiny bit, and their cheese curds are so huge. They're like blocks of cheeses, and the batter is just like really thin, so it doesn't bother me because it's probably just like 3 or 4 grams of carbs. So we're gonna do that. And then I ordered also a Caesar salad with chicken, my usual, duh. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I was setting this up here, and while I was setting this up, and I'm the only one here in the patio too, so it's kind of nice because they just opened. I ordered my Caesar salad right away and my cheese curds. Alright guys, so our food came. The cheese curds are right here. How big are the cheese curds? I told you, it's super big. Like, it's big. And I got my Caesar salad over here with chicken. Rotisserie chicken. So healthy. I forgot to tell them no croutons, but that's okay. We're just going to take it off. Meanwhile, let's go to our cheese curds. So we get a really good cheese bowl. I'm not getting any cheese bowl. It could be more well done. Cheese. So good. Maybe just extra dressing, Hunter, and Tabasco.
Tabasco next to us. Okay.
I know, I put Tabasco in everything. I love hot sauce. I put it in salad, pasta, anything. Sandwich. These are so good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Alright, I'll check back.
Holy crap. There was no stopper in there. I just poured like the entire bottle in there. Wow. It's okay, we love hot sauce, right? And I don't think this is gonna fill me up, so I'm gonna order another entree. That's keto. So good. I'm almost done with this salad. I don't keep eating the salad when there's no more meat. Like, no. There's no more meat in here. This is not even good cheese bowl. They didn't cook it too well. I'm not in the mood anymore. So once again, a public mukbang is a fail because I'm not gonna continue filming if there's people beside me because you're gonna hear them on the audio. So I'm gonna pay for my tab and then we're gonna eat somewhere else or maybe in my car. So I paid my bill and now we're walking in my car. I'm so pissed because the patio is largely wide open and there's this group of old people literally sat beside me. So how am I supposed to talk about my food and enjoy my food if they are just like talking about how their life sucks? Ugh. I am so pissed. This this is supposed to be a really good video review of one of my favorite restaurants, but no. Now I have to think about what are we gonna do, because this can't be just the whole video. You know what? Fuck it. Who wants donuts? Donuts. What do you guys think? Donuts? Ice cream? I wasn't even finished with my salad, honestly. The cheese curds wasn't good today, too. You know what? I want Taco Bell. Fuck it. Let's go to Taco Bell. Oh my god. I'm so sick of today. I just got a car wash, too, and I literally went into a puddle. This is the worst day of my life. Like, nothing is going right for me today. Can't even do a vlog. Alright, I've decided we're not going to Taco Bell. I was actually thinking if I should still do a keto. I'm not in the mood on keto anymore. People piss me off. Today is pissing me off. Just calm down, Crane. Calm down, Crane. Sorry, I have a lot of anxiety. Alright, let's do this. Meanwhile, we are at DQ, and it's my turn to order. What should we order, guys? Something new? Let's get something new, shall we?
Thanks for stopping. How can I help you?
Hello! What's the newest item that you have on your menu?
The Sour Patch Kids Blizzard.
Sour Patch Kids Blizzard. Is it good? Actually, okay, I'll take a Sour Patch Kids Blizzard, a small.
Maybe a large.
A small, hun.
Alright, anything else for you?
Like a Diet Coke.
I'm sorry?
A Diet Coke.
Sure, anything else?
That's it.
Alright, maybe $12.50.
I really didn't know what to order. Sorry, guys. I was thinking over there, should we get something naughty or like really bad? But like, as all of you know, I already filmed 2 mukbangs of like regular food, so I can't be just like doing things like that because I'm gonna be so fat. Can't be that fat. Like, I'm short, I can't be fat too. You know what I mean? The ratio has to be perfect. Oh, it's so loud too outside. Like I open my car, it's loud. Rest. Alright, guys, so we got the Sour Patch Blizzard. We're gonna try it. Thank you. Got Diet Coke as usual. Thank you. Got my credit card back. Close my door. It's just so loud everywhere I go. I hate filming on summer. Everywhere you go, Patio is so busy. And I literally went to Grizzly's, where my favorite restaurant is, like, once they opened. Then this old people were just there. Alright, guys, just so you know, when you order a salad from fast food, make sure there's fork, because 50% of the time, you forget forks. Okay, what am I saying? Oh, it's so loud everywhere. So my filming are a fail all the time because it's so loud everywhere. Oh, and then like the old people, they literally, the patio's huge, right? The patio is so huge, guys. I even like filmed it. It's huge, right? Literally sat beside me. They saw me filming and they're literally like talking loud as hell, like screaming at each other because, you know, old people can't hear. Like, consideration, people, consideration. Do you see I have a camera, DSLR on my face with a microphone? Like, come on, dude, come on. Such a fail, by the way. So, when I got at Dairy Queen, we didn't go to Taco Bell because I don't want to be naughty like that. Just realized that. I didn't want to do that today. And tomorrow I'm going to be keto too, but I have a new video for you tomorrow, another keto video, but I'm going to save that tomorrow. So today we're just going to try the new Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Sour Patch Blizzard. They always do this thing. I was just like, no, it's going to fall. And I got a salad just for me to get fuller because I didn't get full with my vlog on Grizzly's. I ate so fast too because the old people were like rushing me. Or they weren't really rushing me, but like, I feel rushed because I didn't want to be there. Enough ranting. Let's try this. My favorite Blizzard from Dairy Queen is strawberry and cheesecake. Cheesecake in your Blizzard is so good. Like, whoa. This is like still like melty. Wow, it's kind of good. It's like there's a lot of candy inside. So you kind of need to like chew it. There's like mini Sour Patches in here. Honestly, don't like gummy bears. I don't like sugar in general, like desserts. But this is okay. I just ordered small. I just want to try it. Whoa, this is kind of good. I just don't like the I just like the ice cream. I don't like the fact that there's so many candy bits of Sour Patch in there. And you gotta chew it, and it's sour. But it's good. Can't stop eating it. It relaxes me a little bit. Sorry, I get tantrums when like my plans get like ruined. Like, I was gonna order a steak too after my Caesar salad, but I was like, I'm leaving. I'm gonna give you something else. Those old people. I cannot understand people sometimes. Do you guys? Because I don't. I really don't. Like, people are rude. They're so inconsiderate sometimes. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. I don't get it. Maybe if I'm that age, I'll get it, but I don't get it. Alright, Dairy Queen salad. I've never had salad from Dairy Queen, but I saw it. I was like, fine. It's the only one that's keto. Keto, but we're eating ice cream. But, grilled chicken. Oh, wow. Hold up. You know how, like, my salads, when my meat is hot, I like when the salads are, have meat and then it's hot. I have ranch, but let's just not put, ranch. Whoa, I'm surprised. This is the only salad on the menu. There's just one kind of salad in Dairy Queen. There's literally just a little bit of chicken here. But the chicken was warm. I like that part. You guys, there is hair on my food. I swear to God. Ah! And it's curly too. I'm done with this. I'm telling you, this is not my day. My day. I'm telling you, I'm making this video where we are reviewing the Sour Patch Kids. It's pretty good. I just don't like the candy much. There's too much candy to chew. I don't like chewing much in my ice cream. I like my ice cream really like solid plain like ice cream. I don't like nuts in my ice cream. I don't like chocolate chips. Those kinds of things. I like my ice cream just like blended ice cream, like soft serve, kind of like smooth in your mouth and your throat. Yeah. But yeah. Does it taste like Sour Patch Kids? The candy in here is Sour Patch Kids, but the ice cream itself, I don't think it tastes like Sour Patch Kids. That's what it is. Over my sock, there's hair in there. What a day, Korean. What a day. But at least you're here with me, you know. You're comforting me. Comforting me. There's like big chunks of Sour Patch. Oh. Oreo and Blizzard though, I don't mind. That's good too. But like nuts and like big chunks of M&Ms, I don't like that. So good. One last bite. I like those. It's okay. I won't get it again though. It's pretty good. I just don't like the candy in there. But you see, it gets stuck in my teeth. I hate sugar. I just feel it. Because I feel like sugar is just so unhealthy for you and no like nutrition value for you really. Alright guys, I'm gonna go home, relax, and clean my room or something. And be productive a little bit. I enjoyed my lunch today, even though I rushed my Caesar salad in the restaurant. That salad, though, there's hair. I stopped eating it. Ew. Sour Patch Kids was bomb. Just not a fan of candy. That's just me, but I like it. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Doesn't taste much as Sour Patch Kids, but the Sour Patch Kids thingies are in there, but the ice cream itself doesn't taste like Sour Patch Kids. So, alright guys, I am tapping out as usual. I hope you still enjoyed this failo video, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.